Yeah. It's such a lovely loco, isn't it?
What?
Lovely loco, isn't it?
Lovely.
Oh, there you go. Oh, look, fantastic smell. Nice engine, isn't it? Oh, really? Oh, there you go, come here today. Oh, bloody hell. Let's start you again. There's a whole load of tender viewers. Yeah, you guys run on a turntable. This turntable is like ones we have at the West Somerset Railway and every other heavy where you can possibly think of. They always have to have a quite angle where the rate is. And they put one of the West Somerset where you can't even fit. It has too much gauging in it. So that's why at Nautilus Spawn they have a triangle there so the engines can change there if necessary in case they can't have prescriptions on the West Somerset these days. Oh. Yay! Woo!